Are you fascinated by the world of aviation and looking to build a career where every day brings new challenges and opportunities? If so, becoming an aircraft broker might be the perfect path for you. In this video, we'll explore what it takes to become an aircraft broker, how this role differs from aircraft sales, and the key skills you'll need to succeed in this exciting industry. Aircraft brokers play a pivotal role in the aviation industry, acting as the link between buyers and sellers of aircraft. But before we get into how to become an aircraft broker, it's important to understand how this profession differs from that of an aircraft sales representative. Aircraft brokerage versus aircraft sales. What's the difference? While both aircraft brokers and aircraft sales representatives work within the realm of buying and selling aircraft, their roles are distinct in several key ways. An aircraft sales representative typically works directly for an aircraft manufacturer or a dealership. Their primary focus is on selling new aircraft, often with a specific brand or model in mind. They are experts in the product they sell and are usually involved in the entire sales process, from the initial pitch to after-sales support. Their goal is to close deals that benefit the manufacturer or dealership they represent. In contrast, an aircraft broker acts as an intermediary between the buyer and the seller. Unlike sales representatives, brokers are independent and work on behalf of their clients, who could be either buyers or sellers. They don't push a specific product or brand. Instead, they focus on understanding the client's needs, whether it's finding the right aircraft for a buyer or securing the best possible deal for a seller. Brokers handle everything from market research to negotiations and ensure that all parties are satisfied with the transaction. Now that we've clarified the difference between these roles, let's discuss how you can start your journey towards becoming an aircraft broker. Step 1. Gain industry knowledge and experience. The first step to becoming an aircraft broker is to immerse yourself in the aviation industry. This doesn't necessarily mean you need to be a pilot or have a degree in aviation, although these can be advantageous. What's more important is understanding the intricacies of aircraft, the market, and the needs of your potential clients. Consider starting in a related role, such as working in aircraft sales, aviation insurance, or even at an FBO, fixed-base operator. These positions can provide you with valuable insights into the industry, the key players, and the market dynamics. Building a network within the aviation community is crucial, as relationships are often the foundation of successful brokerage deals. Step 2. Develop key skills. Being an aircraft broker requires a unique blend of skills. First and foremost, you need to be an excellent communicator and negotiator. You'll be dealing with high-stakes transactions, often involving millions of dollars. So being able to represent your client's interests clearly and assertively is vital. In addition to negotiation skills, you'll need strong analytical abilities. Understanding market trends, assessing the value of different aircraft, and identifying the best opportunities for your clients are all essential components of the job. You'll also need to be detail-oriented, as contracts and regulations in aviation can be complex, and even small mistakes can have significant consequences. Step 3. Get licensed and certified. While not always mandatory, obtaining relevant certifications can give you a competitive edge and enhance your credibility. In some regions, you may need a specific license to operate as an aircraft broker. For example, in the United States, an aircraft broker may benefit from having an FAA aircraft dealer certificate, even though it's not strictly required. Additionally, consider becoming a member of professional organizations like the National Aircraft Resale Association, NARA, or the International Aircraft Dealers Association, IADA. These organizations often offer certification programs that can further validate your expertise and commitment to ethical standards in the industry. Step 4. Build a strong network. Success as an aircraft broker is highly dependent on your network. Establish relationships with aircraft owners, operators, manufacturers, and other industry professionals. Attend aviation trade shows, conferences, and other industry events to meet potential clients and stay informed about market trends. Online platforms such as LinkedIn are also valuable tools for networking and showcasing your expertise. Regularly sharing industry insights and engaging with others in the aviation community can help you build a reputation as a knowledgeable and trustworthy broker. Step 5. Start your own brokerage or join an established firm. Once you've built up your knowledge, skills, and network, it's time to decide whether to start your own brokerage or join an established firm. Starting your own brokerage offers the freedom to build your brand and work independently, but it also comes with the challenges of setting up a business, including finding clients and managing operations. On the other hand, joining an established brokerage firm can provide you with an existing client base, resources, and mentorship, which can be invaluable as you start your career. Whichever path you choose, ensure you continue to grow your network and refine your skills to stay competitive. Becoming an aircraft broker is a rewarding career that combines your passion for aviation with the thrill of high-stakes transactions. It's a role that requires a deep understanding of the industry, excellent communication and negotiation skills, and a commitment to continuous learning. By following these steps and distinguishing yourself through expertise and integrity, you can soar to new heights in the world of aircraft brokerage.